You have a vacation cabin in the mountains, a boat at the marina, or maybe just a shed at the far end of your property. You want to secure it. But there is one massive problem: no Wi-Fi. Most people assume that smart security equals internet connection. What happens when the power creates a blackout, taking your router with it? Is there a security camera that works without Wi-Fi? Yes, but you need to know which type to choose. Based on the breakdown from eufy's security experts, there are two distinct ways to bypass the need for a router. First up, we have local storage cameras. Think of these like a traditional dash cam for your house. These cameras don't need the internet to record. They save footage directly to a micro SD card or a local hard drive. The pro, they keep working even if your ISP goes down. The con, without the internet, you can't watch the live feed on your phone. It's great for evidence, but bad for real-time alerts. This is the game changer: cellular security cameras. Imagine your smartphone. It doesn't need Wi-Fi to browse Instagram, right? It uses a data plan. These cameras work the exact same way. They have a SIM card slot inside. They connect to cell towers to send video straight to your phone, no matter where you are. The reality: this is the only way to get real-time notifications in remote places like construction sites, farms, or hunting cabins. Quick warning: don't confuse wire-free with Wi-Fi free. Make sure you are specifically looking for 4G LTE or cellular. So, physical security is not enough. You need technology that adapts to your environment. If you need to monitor that remote spot, the eufy 4 LTE Cam S330 is the answer. It solves the two biggest pain points of off-grid security: connection and power. It connects via 4G, so no Wi-Fi is needed. But more importantly, it has a built-in solar panel. As long as the sun shines, it runs forever. You don't need to drive 2 hours just to swap a battery. It brings AI detection to the middle of nowhere. But what if you are just worried about privacy at home? This is where eufy's ecosystem shines. We prioritize local storage. Unlike other brands that force you into expensive monthly cloud subscriptions just to see who is at the door, eufy keeps your footage encrypted in your hands. Whether you buy an entry-level indoor cam or a high-end outdoor system, you get premium features without the premium monthly tax. It's protection that is powerful, private, and works on your terms. So, are you planning to secure a remote location or just looking for a backup plan? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your off-grid setup ideas. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech tips. Check the link in the description for the cameras we mentioned today. Stay safe and see you next time. Do these cameras need a monthly fee? 4G cameras need a cellular data plan, like a phone, but standard local storage cameras do not. Can I use a hotspot instead? Yes, but mobile hotspots can be unreliable and drain battery quickly. A dedicated 4G camera is more stable. How much data does a 4G camera use? It depends on usage, but typically 1 to 2 gigabytes per month is sufficient for motion-triggered recording.